Welcome to the second lecture of SPSS lecture series. In the previous lecture, I gave you a brief introduction about SPSS software. Today, I'm going to give you a basic introduction about how to enter data into SPSS. There are two methods of entering data into SPSS. The first method is we have to enter or we have to type the data in the spreadsheet of this SPSS. Type 1, 2, 3 in the second column, maybe 1.656, something like that. You have to type. The second method is we can enter data into some other spreadsheet, most commonly something like Excel, and we add that to the SPSS. Now you see an Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, there are 8 columns. One column represents a variable. For example, column A, that is the test number. Each patient has given one number. This is 1818, that is a number allocated to one patient. And the sample ID, sample type. Like that, we can enter data into Excel sheet. If I explain more, ALT value of the patient 1818 is 65.2. Most important part of this Excel sheet is you can only use the first row to name the variables. If you use two rows, the second row will be taken as a patient. Many researchers do this mistake. They allocate first few rows to label the variables. Drag this Excel file into SPSS, then you will get this message, and most important thing is you have to tick this box, that is read variable names from the first row of data, and you can select the other things according to your wish. Now you can see if you use the second row to label the variable, now you can see we have entered patient details from the second row onwards. Because of that, SPSS has taken the first row as patient and the variable names are in the variable name position. Then you have to select OK. Then automatically it will take Excel file into SPSS. Then you have to clean data. I will explain data cleaning in one of the next few lectures. There is another method of taking Excel file into SPSS, that is you have to click on file, go to import data and select Excel. Of course, you can take CSV files, text data, SAS files, starter files. So like that, several types of files can be taken into SPSS. But in this lecture, I mainly focus Excel files because many of the researchers use Excel into SPSS. And select Excel and you can select the location. So I have kept that in desktop. You select this one and click open. And you will get a similar message that I have shown and click OK. OK. Now you can see in result column there are so many decimal points and there can be missing values. After taking the Excel file, the next step is data cleaning. In the next lecture, I will discuss how to do data cleaning. Thank you very much.